Welcome to ScratchStart. In this session, we are going to see how we can use JavaScript to create a display card, product display cards. If you have followed from me since the beginning, I have already done this exact product by using only HTML and CSS stylings in the previous HTML series. There, I did that because only to learn about the HTML structuring and CSS styling options. Here what we are going to do is we use JavaScript because in actual websites and apps you can't type HTML codes for each card, each elements and each product. So we are creating JavaScript codes to display it efficiently. We only have to write this code for only one time, and it will get applied to each product, each display products and its specifications. So now let's create an element using the identifier called product list. I'm selecting it by document, get element by id, and the id is product list. And I have created the product data element, product data, as a new array variable called products, and these are I have 3 array variables here. So now we have to generate the UI now. So to generate UI, I am creating a function called render products. Inside the render products, I am writing the main logic. For that, I am creating the by products array. For each elements of the products array, this function called product will get executed. So that function I am creating a variables called card, and this card will create a new element in the document. That means the HTML file. That it will create a division element, and this card element will have the class of card. Now in that card section, card element, we have to write what we should have in the actual card when it is displayed. So using inner HTML property, I am writing the variables like a HTML structure. Using image, I am getting this image from this here, from the image source, from the array. The source should be from the product image. Now we have to create another division element with the class card body. Inside that card body, we should have a heading element, and this heading should be taken from the product dot name, and close this element, close this heading. Now we should have the paragraph element with the class price, and this price should be taken from this same products array, from the product array, product dot price, and close the paragraph. Now we have to also add another button element to buy, to give a buying option, and close this button. And then we also have to close this division, main division we created. So that is all. This exact thing will get should be carried over to the product list. Why means because it is where this whole thing is whole card will be created. So we can see here new division is created first. What it does is inside this a new division element is created, and inside that new division element this thing will get inherited. That's what has happened. We have wrote it for card element, so this card should inherit straight to this product list, so we should append it. So in the product list element, append the card element, card variable. And now to render all this, we have to use the render product function. Only then this whole thing will get rendered. It will get inherited and everything will happen only when we call this function. So I am calling the render products function, and that's all. And now when I reload it, all the products and images and all the data will appear here. See, that's all. So that is how it should be done. This is mostly used in lot of e-commerce websites and like a lot of online stores. This will be easier. So it can be used in other methods too, like in React it will be even more easier with while using the frameworks. But my main goal is here for me to understand the JavaScript working initially. Only then I will go to the frameworks and other things. First I have to understand what is happening in the JavaScript, that's all, how it works and how it operates and executes things. So that is it for today. I hope you like this video. If you like my work, please consider like, subscribe and sharing, and I ask you to please subscribe. I can see people are watching this video, and you are really invested. I can see from my statistics, and you are not subscribing. So if you give a subscribe, it will be really helpful and also give me some hope. And yeah, thank you. That is it for today. Have a nice day.